Hello world! Today, we'll be exploring some key programming concepts, classes, methods, and variables. It's important to understand these fundamentals before you start coding, so you know what tools you have at your disposal. Especially when you begin to encounter real-world problems that tend to be more complex than textbook projects. To illustrate these concepts, we'll use a pizza ordering site as an example. If that sounds good to you, let's begin. So our pizza ordering site needs a blueprint to define how everything works. In programming, this blueprint is called a class. A class defines the structure and behaviour of an object you want to create. For our pizza ordering site, we might have a class called Pizza Order. This class will outline all the characteristics and actions related to placing an order. Next, let's talk about methods. Methods are like the actions you can perform as part of the pizza order class. Think of them as tasks or functions that can be carried out. For example, in our pizza order class, we might have methods like get available pizzas, get toppings, calculate costs, and place order. Now, onto variables. Variables are the details or parameters that methods use, change, or create. They tend to store information that the methods need to operate. For example, in our getToppings method, we might use a variable like selectedPizza to find out what additional toppings are available. The calculateCost method might use the selected pizza and additional toppings to figure out the total cost. Finally, the placeOrder method, we would use selectedPizza, additional toppings, total cost, and payment info. In this example, selectedPizza, additional toppings, total cost, and payment info are the variables. When we define the methods, these variables are called parameters. When we call the methods, these actual values we pass are called arguments. Now, let's put it all together for a quick example. Imagine you visit the pizza ordering site. The Get Available Pizzas method is called as soon as you open the site. When it completes, it shows all the available pizza options. You select a pizza, which would trigger a call to the available toppings for that pizza before returning it to your screen. The calculateCost method then uses the selected pizza and additional topping variables to calculate the total cost. When you are happy with your pizza and have entered your payment information, you'd call the placeOrder method, which processes your order using the information stored in the variables. And that's all there is to it. I hope this helps you understand these core programming concepts better. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like. And if you're interested in learning about types, data transfer objects, or solid principles, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more programming concepts and tutorials. Until next time, this is Micro, logging out.